Hello, it's Sophie from Britcent, and today I'm back with part 2 of our video looking at the uses of for and to. Today we're going to be looking at some more confusing examples where both to and for can be used, explaining the differences in their meaning and the rules they follow. So, is it good to me or good for me? Well, that depends. As we use to talk about direction, we use good to another person when someone acts in a kind and considerate way towards them. For example, my friends are good to me when I feel down. His new girlfriend is too good to him. She treats him like a king. We use for when talking about the benefit of something. So use good for when something has a positive effect on someone or something. For example, water is good for my skin. I quit smoking because it's not good for my health. Now let's move on and look at important to and important for. Good manners are important to me. In this sentence, I'm highlighting that I personally value the object of the sentence. In this case, good manners. To is used as the benefit is directed towards the individual. So you could also say, money is not important to me. It's important to my mother that I get married soon. Now, important for is used when we believe the object of the sentence is very beneficial, and not having it will have a negative impact. For example, a good work-life balance is important for good mental health, or speaking clearly is important for any teacher. And finally, let's look at call to and call for. As previously discussed, to is used for direction and transfer. So we use call to when we shout to someone who's nearby because we want their attention. For example, I called to her from across the street, but she didn't hear me. Or, call to your sister before we leave without her. A common mistake many of my students make is to use call to for a phone call. This is incorrect. We do not need a preposition in this case, as our focus is not on the direction of the action, but on the person who's answering. So instead of saying, I called to my mum, you should say, I called my mum. Another example is, I need to call my bank. Now, call for is used to express reason or purpose. Our focus is not on the person we are speaking to, but the reason for our call. For example, let's call for room service. Or, they had to call for help when they got lost. So, as a general rule, to is used for direction, and for is used for benefit. However, this might not always be the case, so make sure you understand the context properly so that you can use to and for appropriately. I hope this video helped make the uses of for and to clearer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.